vocabulary: boy, noise, voice, annoyed, right, destroy, toy, noisy, choice, spoil. Conversation: two boys are playing. The parents are talking about him. Boys, stop that noise. What? Keep your voice down. You are making too much. Noise one, noisy. Why are you so noisy? Right. The church enjoying themselves. But the noise is very noisy. The little boys, of course, they makes noise. I'm sure I wasn't that noisy when I was a little boy, raising his voice. Boys, continue making noise. They don't listen. They spoil. They destroying all the toys I buy them, and they are noisiest boys ever even heard. Well, maybe you shouldn't buy them such noisy toys. It's not the toys that are noisy. It's the boys. Exercise. I make choice for reading books 1 hour a day. I make a choice for workout 30 minutes a day. I make a choice for writing to English 1 hour a day. I make a choice for sleeping 8 hours a day. I make a choice for drinking 2 liters a day. Thanks for watching.